What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the 1/12 Tank300 crawlers. Now let's unbox it. Look at it. Transmitters, some manuals, chargers. Now this is some other tools. Look at it, so small. Now this is a 1/12 crawlers. By the way, I remember that the hood and the trunk and even all the doors can open. Wait a minute, sorry. It is a little bit hard to open it. Now this is a rear doors. Now let's open the front doors. Front doors. Hard bodies and with, let's see the manuals. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think the rear doors can also be opened. Yes. All opened with this beautiful skilled crawlers. By the way, it still has aluminum suspensions, and it's IFS structures. Look at it, so soft. This must be the world's first 1/12 small scales IFS crawlers. I see the batteries is in the hood and it can't be removed. What a shame. Now let's see the transmitters. These transmitters I used before in my SGs, the small tanks. I remembered. You can check it here. Now let's see this. Low speed, max of low speed, high speed. It's faster than the former. Now let's see the light. Now this is lights on, front lights and the rear lights. Now this is the lights off. I think the small crawlers is so scale and hard bodies and all opened. Now this is the first 3D small crawlers in the market. So beautiful. Look at it. By the way, it didn't have the diffs, so it has some performance for crawlings. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.